How to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. Hello everyone, today in this video I'll walk you through a simple process to set up a new user account on the Temu app using the same smartphone you already have. So let's jump right in. Start by opening the Temu app on your device. You will be greeted by the main page. Click on the U icon located in the bottom right corner to view your current Temu profile. Then tap on the setting option at the top right corner. Ensure that your account settings, particularly the country and currency, are correctly set to US and USD respectively. Next, navigate to switch accounts. You will see a list of any accounts already linked to your phone. Choose Add Account to initiate creating a new user profile. You'll have the option to create this account using various platforms including Google, Facebook or Twitter. For this demonstration, I will select Continue with Google. Pick up the specific Google account you wish to use for your new Temu account creation. Once your new Temu account is successfully set up, head back to the setting menu and select Switch Accounts again. You will see all the accounts you have created listed here. Simply tap on the Google account you want to switch. You are all set to explore Temu with your new user profile. And there you have it. You have successfully added a new user on the Temu app using the same phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.